Hi folks, this is Tal again, back with another Docsie tutorial video. Now today I wanted to talk about security and securing certain books, shelves, and pages on Docsie. Now having a secure page is very important, which is password protected, because that way you can make sure that only certain people will have access to these books or shelves. Now there are two ways to make a password protected book or shelf. Let's start with a password protected shelf. As I showed you last time, these are our shelves. So we have three shelves here. Getting started is the first shelf. Now on top of the getting started, right near the star, there's a little star here, you'll see three dots. Now press the three dots and go to properties. Now in this dashboard, we'll go to more options, and right here we can enable password. Let's call it TAL123, the capital T. Now these are capital sensitive, so keep in mind that when you're making passwords, that they are capital sensitive. So that will affect whoever's writing the password and how they'll have access to the specific documentation. Now the reason why I do not want to enable this right now is because I don't want to password protect my entire shelf. My entire shelf consists of all of these books. I only want to password protect this book right here. So how do we do that? Instead of clicking these three dots, we're going to click these three dots. And these are going to bring us to the properties from the book alone. Now remember, this book is like an article. Let me just shut that down. And when you are password protecting this book, you will only password protect the articles within this book. Okay? Hope that's understandable. Now let's press these three buttons. Go to properties, and again, more options, and let's create a password. I'm going to do the same password. Oops, Cal123, and I'm going to enable it. And I'm going to update book. Done. Now this specific book is password protected. Now let's actually take a look at what that looks like. Let's go to our workspace, and then let's go to deployments. So this is where we published all of our books, and this one is the exact book which I published, which I password protected. Let's open it up. Done. Now, so I need the password now to get in. So let's type in my password. Done. And I'm in. Now this is great, because if you have employees which are learning about certain products which are not released, which are patent pending, and you want them to see certain information which you don't want out in the public, you can always use Docsie to password protect your documentation. Now Docsie also has other features which protect you while you are working on documentation within the platform. For instance, when we go to users, I can allow certain people to view the certain documentation, to become an editor, an admin, and if I'm the owner, I have power to manipulate all of these three or even delete them from certain projects and work in the workspace. Now this is great because you can control who and what information they are providing for certain projects. And on top of that, all of this information is time-stamped within Docsie. So if there's ever an issue, we can provide the exact times and dates so that you can see that information. And that's really useful for protection. Now I hope you found this tutorial very informative, and you go out and you can have fun with password protecting any documentation that you need to protect within our Docsie platform, and have a good time using it. On the next video, I want to get into collections, what they are and how they are useful, and I want to talk a little bit more about other features related to Docsie. So please stay tuned and like and subscribe. We always enjoy people giving feedback, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at hello@docsie.io. Thank you for your time, and also if you want to learn anything else about the Docsie features, go to help.docsie.io and you'll find all the information you need there. Thank you, and I hope that you have a nice day.